Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we dive into Covantage Credit Union app in order to check if the app is worth using. So let's dive into it. The Covantage Credit Union app is a solid all-in-one banking tool built for everyday money management. You can check balance, transfer fund, deposit check, pay bills, and manage your credit or credit card without needing a branch. It also includes useful extras like loan application, credit score access, account alert, and simple biometric login for quick security. In my opinion, I actually think the app delivers the core features most users expect from a modern credit union app, and it runs smoothly for routine banking. The downside is that the design feels a bit dated compared to bigger bank apps, and some users report occasional glitches or slower loading during update. It's functional and reliable, but the most polished or the feature-rich app are in the market. So in my opinion, I actually think the app is worth using if you're already a Covantage member and it gets the job done for you, even if it is not the flashiest option out there. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Don't forget the notification button and subscribe for more review.